In this section, I want to talk about some miscellaneous topics. The first of all is router ID. So what is router ID? In this OSPF instance, you can see that the router ID is set to 0000. This means that this is not set manually. It is going to be selected automatically. And how this is going to be selected? In OSPF protocol, it explains that if you have loopback interfaces on your router, the highest IP address of your loopback interface is going to be selected as router ID of your router. But here on MikroTik, we do not have any actual loopback interfaces. Actually, I have selected some bridge interfaces to act as a loopback interface, so this is not how it is going to be selected on MikroTik. If you see here, you can see that I have a loopback 0 with 1111. I have a loopback 11 with 111111, and I have loopback 12 with 111112. So 111112 is the highest IP address of my loopback interfaces, but as I told you, these are not actual loopback interfaces. These are just bridge interfaces. So the protocol tells us that if you do not have any loopback interface, again I am repeating the actual loopback interface it means. If you do not have actual loopback interfaces, OSPF will search your simple interfaces, the physical interfaces, and it will select the highest IP address of your physical interface and set it as its router ID. So here on MikroTik, because I do not know what IP address is going to be selected for router ID, I prefer to do it manually. I double click on this instance and you can see that I am in OSPF Instances tab, and I have only one instance of OSPF here. You can see that the router ID is 0000. I want to set it to 1111. Actually, I have an IP address in this router that is 1111, but this is not mandatory. You can set any 4-octet 32-bit number here for your router ID.